Well, welcome back DIY car guys and car girls. And today we're working on some LT junk. And this is for Noah and his arc of a car. And I am super jelly of his garage. Look at that big girl right there. And here's the LT1 that we're working on.
How y'all doing? Taking my time.
We're porting the gaskets out right now, working on this girl, and that's what we're doing today. So what Noah's doing, he's porting out the gaskets because if you look right here, same thing that I had with mine. The stock gaskets, these are ported heads, so the stock gaskets are intruding into the port. So before we put the intake on there and get it all set up, we got to get these gaskets ported out so we know that this guy over here, look at this bad boy. Woo. This girl's gonna eat. Before we put that guy on there and modify it, we first have to make sure the ports are good. All right, so we finished the intake gasket porting, that is. You see right here, that way now it's not blocking or intruding in any of the ports, which is important because when the intake goes on there, we got to look down on there and make sure the ports are big enough on the intake to match the head. All right, let's take a look real quick. I don't know if you guys can see in there. Actually, me use the phone, but I'm looking down in there and bro, this intake is matching up to those ports like better than anything I've ever had. Wait, what was this intake again?
That was the Holley.
The EFI?
The EFI, yep. I have all the...
It worked out though.
That works better than any of the Edelbrock stuff I got. That's it right there, guys. That thing, if you want to match up to ported, AI ported stock heads. Oh, these things aren't ported, right? Yeah, no, they ain't ported, right?
Nothing to see here.
This is what you want right here. All right, so let's move on to the next phase of this operation. All right, so this is the tricky part about doing this. Once you get the ports matched up to the best of your ability, what you got to do is you got to mark on the intake gasket, but you need a couple of points of reference. So we got a reference right here. You can use a Sharpie, but with this gasket right here, the Sharpie went right on it. So we just scratched it with this ballpoint pen. Scratched it right there, scratched it right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, and then right there, right there. So we got those references when the intake comes off, where to drill on the intake to get everything to match up. Now you can, on the heads, you can like drill holes right here into the head. That's another way to do it, so you don't have to drill holes in the intake. But this head's already bolted down, so of course we're not going to take the head off with the head gaskets. That's a mofo to get. You know how that is. Get anything now is hard to get. So we're just going to drill the intake and open up these holes. That's what we're doing next. So let's go ahead and take this off, make sure everything's lined up, and mark the intake where it needs to be drilled. All right, so this is what we got so far. You can see all those marks we had right here. That's why it's important to make them. Marked right there, marked right there. So we have all these reference points that when we put the gasket back on there, we know that it's in the same location that it came off the old motor over there. So now, oh yeah, this makes it easier. You put a bolt through here to begin with, and you need a little piece of tape because you got to keep this guy in the same location. So we'll flip it over real quick. And if you look on the other side, we now know exactly where the port, the intake right here. Because we know that these LT1s, this goes into the head, so they don't slide around, but it's actually pretty damn nice. Small black Chevys will piss you off. This thing will fly all over the place. You got to glue it on there or tape it, shit like that. But the the LT1 makes it super easy because we know this right here on the motor over there matched up perfect to the port. So once we drill this and put it on there, we have these marks that we put on the intake so that when we port this, it'll match the heads perfectly And this guy will be real happy to shove some nitrous right down his throat. So let's go ahead and mark this guy right here, and we'll drill out the holes. It's not rocket science to do this. You just need a punch. That way your drill isn't chasing all over the place on there. So we need to do in the middle right here. So let's put this guy in the middle. And we're gonna hit it. It's our first drill mark. And you're gonna have to like wall these out a little bit with these guys right here, but we'll worry about that later on. Right here in the middle. And right here. Right here. Don't worry about this because these already work. It's just these 4 holes right here. One more right here. All right, hard part's done.
Hard part's done.
Okay. All right, so instead of just going right to the biggest one, we're gonna make sure this hole stays in the same spot. So we're just gonna drill it. The smaller one first, hit it. Went the wrong way. Where am I? Went the right way. All right. I'm just gonna open these holes up a little more, so that way when we get the bigger one, we stay in the same spot. These are Harbor Freight drill bits, by the way. That shit don't sound right. They're bits for wood. It'll still serve its purpose. Other side. I'm gonna try to angle it like this because the LT1 bolts aren't like this, like the Gen 1s. Gen 2s are more like this. But you can't start like this because you'll scrape off into the ground. So, this is where a machine shop would be easier to do it, but we ain't got that. A little deeper. Hold on. Safety first. Am I going the right way? That shit don't seem right for some reason. Let's cut though. No, that's definitely the wrong way. Why does that sound like shit? I'm gonna get that shit in my eyes. Yeah. There's one. And then, see, this is gonna have to be waller out some more because once you put it in there, but we start the holes as close as we can and then we put it on there like a gazillion times to make sure everything's lined up. So this is the one, yeah. This is actually a pretty nice intake because these ports are pulled away from where the bolt's gonna go. So we might be able to stick a bolt in there and not a stud. So you think we messed it up, or are we gonna be on the money?
We about to find out, bro.
We got the holes in there.
Moment of truth. See where we are.
You tell me how it looks first.
I ain't gonna lie. I think
think you
It's
did
gonna need a little bit of massaging,
a
but
horribly good job.
oh snap! Look at that. And the angle's almost right too.
Yeah, that's a swell job. If I do say so myself.
Swell job there, bud.
Well,
Hell
I'm not
yeah.
gonna tell the people that I really did it.
Yeah, he did it.
It was really me that did it. I'm not gonna take all the credit for it.
We're getting there. Man, this thing's looking good.
On the right path.
I like this thing. All right, now we gotta massage it.
yes, sir.
Okay, so all we've done is just mark a couple of spots that need massaging. So I'm gonna grab this guy and massage it over. Slowly take the metal out until every single one of those bolts go in and the alignment on the gasket is still there.
Six and a half hours later.
So down here we have all the shit that we removed, and here it goes. Cleaned it up. Have we successfully got this guy to mate up to a Gen 2? Let's do it.
Let's see. Let's see what we got here. So far, it looks okay.
We got our little guys right here. We'll line them up.
Let's see. I got some bolts in
All
here.
right, here it goes. Drum roll.
I'm just gonna start at a random spot right here.
There's one.
I thread it. Let's see if I come over here.
There's another.
Oh, that's two threaded.
Y'all notice this intake right here, because the runners come out more. You don't have to do what I did in mine. So this is definitely the intake to get for fuel injection.
That's three threaded. I'm just gonna go random places.
All right.
Four threaded. That's five threaded.
Oh baby.
Six. Come back on this side. Let me see what we got going on here. Get lint off of there. Seven. Oh man, that's good money.
8.
That's 8. Let me see. That's 9.
Woo!
We might be in business.
Like I said, I've done this before, so I know how much you got to take off.
10. 11 out of 12. This is the last one right here.
Where's it go? Where's it go? Right there?
Let's see what we got. We got action.
There you go, guys.
Action.
Gen 1 intake on a Gen 2 motor.
Yeah, bleed.
I can't wait till this thing gets together, man. This thing's gonna be a bad mofo.
Goose would be proud.
Yes, he would. Yes, he would.
That's it right there.
Hell yeah, pimp.
Time to make history.
Let's do it. Big girl gonna move.
Time to make history.